Oh, I know you so, so well. I could not forget your smell. Ponder all her Buddhist ways. Smell like roses all day. Tea and false philosophy. No leaves on the freezing tree. Every room is far too warm. The heat makes me feel forlorn.
Melanie, I vow to love you unconditionally. I vow to always strive to be the best version of myself for you. I vow to be there to keep you warm when you're cold, especially when we're in Maine. I vow to be your soulmate, and I vow to be your husband.
I don't expect to feel this overwhelming amount of love every second of every day, but I vow to choose you every second of every day. I vow to choose our love over and over and over again for the rest of our lives. You are my happily ever after, and I love you so much.
Stomach scrapes the rusty pavement, claws around trying to tame.
So Heartstone Ranch, this is a great venue, don't you think? So this is this place is a fond memory in our hearts, and we never knew that at that time that you would end up being married here.
Just to interrupt Matt for a bit, I just want to say how beautiful you both look, and we're just so happy for you. And we knew, Mel, from the day you were born that you were really destined for great things. I had to say most of this because I knew I was going to lose it.
Sam, you're my only brother, my biggest role model I've ever had in my life, and I'm just overjoyed to see you really growing into a more fulfilled version of yourself. I'm just so happy for you both, and I really love you both, and I wish you both to have many years of a warm marriage ahead.
The silver robes, and there goes hope when ends the day, ends the day. Oh, 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 oh. Take a sip and let it go down. Tell me, what am I gonna do with this love for you? Can't throw it out the window, can't poison it out. Oh, this animal love, if it's animal love, then I know it's true. If it's not true, till I give it to. Tell me who.
I have very few friends who I can be so honest with and receive such love and support in return. It is because she has an inner knowledge that no matter what we go through in our day-to-day, at the core of it, our relationship is one built of love. Melanie and Sam have grown so much together. It has been a privilege to watch them intertwine their lives, and in their hearts they always carry love. Melanie and Sam, may you carry each other's hearts in your heart.
Tell me who, what am
Sam, I never told you this, but on our first date, while sitting in the art gallery, there was a moment when I looked at you and a voice in the back of my head said, I'm going to marry this man. So when you proposed, I had no hesitations or reservations because my instincts trust in you. Therefore, I vow to wholeheartedly invest myself into our marriage, to tend to it compassionately with empathy and trust. You are one of the kindest people I've ever met, always seeing the best in others, so I vow to see the best in you. And I'm really happy to be your wife.